You're on candid camera.
Make this whole go.
Don't.
So as not to overheat.
Good idea. Can he do it? Can he do it again? Is your battery wiped? Okay.
That motor, the
It'll,
way those fans are, will pull air into themselves. And so I'm just trying to
help cool it just a little bit.
get a little air running through it.
Alright, here we go. Mr. Chad Clements trying to crash. He's doing a good job.
He's done a fine job at that.
Dude, you like made it the first time up to the very top before you crashed. Now he's stuck. Last time you hooked this corner right here and you had the correct angle for when all else fails, gas it.
That's what he left.
There went your antenna. I think you're going to have to wait just a second more before you turn into it. Yep. You're going to have to go up just a little bit higher before you turn it into it. Ooh, is he going to pull that one off? No.
By pull off, you mean dig it further in.
All right. Here he goes in the hole again because he's at the wrong angle. Oh! Must have stage fright. He's going for a different angle. Nice. Ah. Oh.
I'm not even turning. That's the bad part.
Is your servo wigging out?
The angle, when it comes
Torque
up,
twisting?
the angle comes up at.
Yeah, it's called torque. Now, just back up just right. Don't want to do it, huh? Whoa, Nelly. Hmm? Can you hang it a little bit higher there? There he goes. There he goes. Be ready. Turn the other way. Yeah. There you go. Don't fall now. I got the camera rolling. Good job. Ain't it amazing how well those bald tires hold? Oh, got hot?
I'm going to let it cool off before I try it.
Before you get hot.
It just got hot.
You know those, I only bought the new tires because I was going to that comp and I didn't know how mean their stuff was going to be.
Yeah.
And as it turned out, I really didn't need them, but it's alright. I was ready for some new ones. Oh! Hammered it too hard. What you got? Oh, the skid plate bending down. I saw that from down here. Pretty nice hammer.
Thank you.
Alright. From whence you were. There you go. Alright, from whence you were. Just keep that tire hugged under that lip. Cool. You made it. 5.5 minutes later.